Welcome to the How To series of Infraon SecuRA. Today, we will demonstrate how to add a report in the Infraon SecuRA tool. From the left menu, navigate to the reports. By default, some of the reports have been configured and they are listed in the grid. Click on that icon on the top right corner for adding a new report. Choose the report type from the drop-down list. Let's choose Device Interface Report. Enter the report name. Let's enter Interface Report. The report group is optional. The visibility is by default public, and it can be changed based on the requirement. In the Filters section, we have multiple filter options for the report like device, IP address, device groups, vendors, OS types. Let's add some filters in the Filters section. The report data can be restricted to a selected number of IPs. Once you have entered all the details, click on Save. The report will be created as you can see on the report's grid page. You can also edit or delete the report by clicking on the Edit or Delete icon respectively on the top right corner of the report grid page. In the next video, we will demonstrate how to export the report from the Infraon SecuRA tool. Thank you for watching.